Hello there guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Honda CB1000R Plus. So it's a 2019 on a 69 plate with 4,757 miles, and as you can see it is an absolute stunning machine, this one. You can tell it's the Plus because you get them aluminium panels on the side, so you get them on the side of the mudguard, on the fly screen and on the side of the radiator. Also comes with a radiator guard. Get the LED lights with the built-in daytime running lights in the indicators. Also, with it being a Plus, you get that race seat cowl on there as well, and it also comes with a tail tidy also. Digital display with all your adjustable bits on there, so you've got adjustable traction, adjustable engine braking and your power modes. Obviously quick shifter on it as well, and it is just an absolute specced out lovely bike. Really good sellers these. If you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.